What if you could fit an entire professional filmmaking setup into your pocket? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be exactly that. While DJI remains tight-lipped, leaks and rumors paint a picture of a camera that could redefine portable videography. But does it truly have what it takes to be the ultimate pocket-sized camera? Let's dive deep into what we know so far about the DJI Pocket 4. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to retain its signature compact and handheld form factor, but with subtle refinements. Reports suggest a slightly larger build to accommodate upgraded internals, with a weight of approximately 190 grams. One of the standout improvements is the introduction of a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen. This is a step up from the 2-inch display on the Osmo Pocket 3, offering better usability, improved menu navigation, and a more immersive framing experience. The rumored resolution of 480 by 800 pixels with a peak brightness of 800 nits ensures that visibility remains optimal even in bright outdoor conditions. The ergonomics have also been refined. The grip is expected to be more comfortable, with better button placement for easier one-handed operation. These improvements make the camera more intuitive for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who need quick access to controls while filming on the move. A major talking point for the Pocket 4 is its upgraded camera system. Leaks suggest that DJI is equipping it with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, improving upon the Pocket 3's already impressive imaging capabilities. This sensor is expected to provide sharper details, improved low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range, making it a solid choice for professional-looking content. The camera is rumored to feature a 20mm f2.0 lens, ensuring a versatile field of view suitable for vlogging, landscapes, and cinematic shots. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit color depth and HDR recording will allow creators greater flexibility in post-production, particularly when it comes to color grading and adjusting exposure. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is the Pocket 4's rumored ability to record 4K at 240 frames per second. This is a significant jump from the Pocket 3's 4K 120 FPS capabilities and opens up more creative possibilities, particularly for slow-motion enthusiasts. Whether capturing action sequences, sports, or cinematic B-roll, this feature alone could make the Pocket 4 a must-have for videographers looking for high-quality, smooth footage. Stabilization has always been a strong suit for the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to refine it even further. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with enhanced electronic stabilization algorithms, should deliver incredibly smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios. DJI's rumored Active Track 7.0 is also expected to introduce phase detection and eye tracking capabilities, ensuring precise subject tracking for vloggers and action shooters. These upgrades would make the Pocket 4 one of the most reliable handheld cameras for capturing fast-moving subjects with precision focus. DJI has been steadily improving its AI-powered features, and the Pocket 4 is likely to introduce smarter subject tracking and improved autofocus. The integration of phase detection autofocus, PDAF, could finally eliminate focus hunting issues, ensuring consistent sharpness even in dynamic environments. Another highly requested feature is the ability to use DJI's wireless microphone system while simultaneously connecting to the MIMO app. If DJI can address this limitation, it will significantly enhance the device's appeal to vloggers and interviewers who require high-quality audio while maintaining mobile control over the camera settings. While some users have speculated about optical zoom capabilities, there have been no credible leaks to confirm such an upgrade. However, digital zoom improvements could still be implemented to enhance framing flexibility without a noticeable drop in quality. With the addition of a more powerful processor and a larger display, battery life remains a critical factor. While the exact battery capacity remains unknown, reports suggest that DJI is working on optimizing power efficiency to extend recording times. The Pocket 3 offered around 166 minutes of continuous 4K recording, and the Pocket 4 could push this closer to 200 minutes with better heat management and a more efficient chipset. One of the most exciting potential improvements is fast charging. If the rumors hold true, the Pocket 4 could feature a 25-minute full charge capability using DJI's PD charger, making it significantly more convenient for creators who are constantly on the go. This would be a significant upgrade from the Pocket 3's charge time, allowing users to get back to filming much faster. A recurring concern among Osmo Pocket users has been durability. While the device's compact size makes it an excellent travel companion, it has also proven to be somewhat fragile, particularly in outdoor conditions. Many users have requested better environmental sealing to protect against dust, sand, and light rain. Although there is no confirmation that the Pocket 4 will be fully waterproof, some level of weather resistance would be a welcome addition. Currently, third-party waterproof cases exist for the Pocket 3, but an official solution from DJI would offer better integration and reliability for those who film in challenging environments. Based on DJI's 3-year product cycle, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2025. This would align with DJI's strategy of refining and improving its Pocket camera lineup while allowing time for technological advancements. Pricing speculation suggests that the standard edition could start at $699, while the Creator Combo may be priced around $799. This marks a slight increase over the Pocket 3, which launched at $539 for the base model and $689 for the Creator Combo. While the price hike might seem steep, the rumored improvements in sensor size, stabilization, and video performance could justify the premium. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced compact cameras ever made. From its rumored 1-inch sensor and 4K 240 FPS recording to smarter autofocus and improved stabilization, it appears to be a worthy successor to the Pocket 3. However, perfection is a high bar to meet. If DJI wants to truly revolutionize the vlogging and portable camera market, it could take things even further by incorporating features such as weatherproofing, interchangeable lenses, or an APS-C sensor. While these may not be realistic expectations for this generation, they represent the direction in which users hope the Osmo Pocket series will evolve. For now, the only real question left is, will DJI meet expectations or leave room for yet another upgrade in the future? What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below.